Hey guys, we are going to continue two-step word problems today, except today you don't see me. Today we're going to talk about labeling your information. So it's another way to help us organize what we need and solve our problems correctly, because that's the whole goal. What are labels? If we're going to be labeling things, we need to know what they are. Labels can tell you the parts of something, like this shark. Labels can organize your thinking, like in a story map, the topic, the main idea, facts. Labels can even tell you what's in something, like nutrition facts, things you should look at to see if what you're eating is healthy. So let's talk about how we can use labels in our word problems. I'm not going to put the KWSS chart out today because mostly so that I have room to show you my labels, but we still want to use that thinking today, what we know, what we want to know, what's our strategy and operation, and solving the problem, of course. So, Abe went running 4 days this past week. He ran 5 kilometers each day. Beth ran 15 fewer kilometers than Abe. How many kilometers did Beth run that week? Now, kilometers might be tripping you up. That's okay. I don't need to know what a kilometer is. I just need to know that it's a distance that we're running. All right. So, what do we know? We know that Abe went running 4 days this past week, and he ran 5 kilometers each day. Let's start there. So, I want to know here how much Abe ran. So if I say, okay, well, here's one day, and put D1. Here's another day. Here's another day. And here's another day. So I am labeling each day that Abe ran. So on each day he ran 5 kilometers. 5 that day, 5 on that day, 5 on that day, 5 on that day. And that's his kilometers that he ran. Again, labeling each part so that when I go to put together my number sentences, I know what I'm talking about. So if I have to tell the total, I need to add 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Well, that's repeated addition, which means that my number sentence is 4 days times 5 kilometers each day. So I know that Abe ran 20 kilometers. It's a lot. Now let's keep reading. Beth ran 15 fewer kilometers than Abe. So now my question is, now what I want to know is, how many kilometers did Beth run that week? So if Abe ran 20 kilometers, here's Abe's 20 kilometers. Beth ran 15 fewer. She ran 15 fewer. I want to know what's left. So I know that 20 minus 15 is going to get me that answer. And I know that 20 minus 15 is 5. So Beth ran 5 kilometers that week. I'm going to label Abe for the 20 because I needed to know that, and 5 for Beth. So using labels is a great way to organize your thinking and draw out what the problem is asking you to do. You could act it out like we've been talking about. You can put the same information in a KWSS chart. All I need for you to think about is make sure you're reading each problem carefully and really thinking about what is it that the problem is asking you to do.